We all know this. AI is going to change tech in 2026. Some analysts say many tech jobs will disappear. Others say new jobs will be created. Some of that is true, but most of it misses the real point. AI is not coming for all tech jobs, but it is changing how tech jobs work. Some roles are AI resistant, very hard to replace. Some roles are AI assisted, which means they are still needed, but AI does a big part of the work. If you work in tech, this video will help you understand where you stand and what to do next. Before we talk about roles, let's zoom out for a second. There's one simple rule that explains almost everything about AI. Right now, AI is very good at executing tasks, but it struggles with decisions. So keep this in mind as we go through each role. If your job is about making decisions, AI struggles. If your job is about executing tasks, AI helps a lot. Alright, with that lens, let's look at real examples. Let's start with cybersecurity. Yes, parts of cybersecurity will be automated. We are already seeing AI handle things like log monitoring, alerts and ticketing, level 1 incident triage, event categorization, audit evidence collection for ISO 27001, SOC 2 and similar frameworks. That's all execution. And honestly, AI is very good at that. But here is the important part. Cybersecurity doesn't end with detection. The roles that still matter and are fast growing focus on taking risk decisions, leading incident response, regulatory and legal accountability, designing secure systems, cloud security governance, and here is why. Attackers are also using AI. So as threats become more advanced, human judgment becomes more valuable. AI can tell you something is wrong, but deciding how much risk you are willing to accept is still a human decision. Now let's move from security to something every tech company worries about. Because no matter how smart your AI is, if the system is down, nothing else matters. As platforms get more complex, uptime becomes everything. Companies now need systems that can survive cloud outages, cyber attacks, natural disasters, global disruptions like COVID, supply chain failures, etc. This is where site reliability engineers, business continuity, and disaster recovery experts step in. And these roles are often misunderstood. They are not about fixing tickets. They are about ownership. They are the people who own system reliability and uptime, lead major incidents when production breaks, design and test continuity and disaster recovery plans, explain technical risk in business terms. AI can suggest fixes. But when production is down, and pressure is high, people don't ask AI what to do. They look for someone who can lead. Now let's shift gears away from systems and towards people. Here is something we don't talk about enough. AI doesn't just change tools, it changes the way people work. New workflows, new expectations, new fears, and that creates resistance. This is why organizational change managers are more important than ever. Their job is to help organizations adopt AI without chaos, bring leaders, managers, and employees along together, translate strategy into day-to-day reality, manage fear, confusion, and pushback, make sure change actually sticks. They talk to everyone from boardroom to the front line. This isn't a deeply technical role, but people who understand tech do far better here. Because AI can change how work is done, but it cannot change the human delivering the work. And that's where the humans still matter most. So far, we have talked about roles that protect organizations, security, reliability, and people. These roles survive AI because they own decisions, not just tasks. But this is only half the story. In the next video, we will talk about roles that build, govern, and control AI itself. These are the roles that most people think AI will replace, but in reality, they are becoming more valuable. If you are an engineer, data professional, or working close to AI, you don't want to miss part 2. Subscribe or follow so you don't miss it.